How to post videos on Instagram, not Reels. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can upload a video on your Instagram account without turning it into a Reels. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram app and get logged into your Instagram account. In order to add a video, tap on plus icon on your bottom right. From there, choose any videos that you would like to add as a reel. And once you have chosen the video, simply tap on to next. In here, if you would like to add your video as your video and not your reel, make sure that it crosses more than 2 minutes, or it can be 15 minutes. If you do so, your video will get uploaded as a video and not a reel. Now type in your caption. Once you're done doing all that, tap on to share option. This is how you can share your videos without being a reel. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.